Villers-Cotterêts. This enormous construction site can be seen from the sky. The château is, with its long history, once again being transformed into the new Cité internationale de la langue française. Let's go back in time and start at the beginning. It is the beginning of the 16th century. On the foundations of a medieval fortress, François I has built a château, intending to stay there a few days a year with his court. In the heart of the game-filmed forests of Retz, the castle and its grounds satisfy the king's greatest pleasures: hunting and court tennis, or jeu de paume. In 1539, the Villers-Cotterêts château made history. François I signed the oldest legal text still in effect in France. This is the Ordinance of Villers-Cotterêts, which enforced the use of French for all legal and administrative acts of the kingdom instead of Latin. The château survived on through the ages and has had a series of lives. During the Revolution, it was seized as a national property, with Napoleon making it a beggar's shelter in 1804. Beggars arrested in the streets of Paris were sent there. It was then transformed into a retirement home for the less wealthy at the end of the 19th century. In 2014, the last residents left the château, gradually leaving it abandoned. In 2018, the state laid the foundations for an ambitious project entrusted to the Centre des Monuments Nationaux. The construction site for the Cité internationale de la langue française was unveiled. Look around. It is a real hive of activity. Nearly 600 construction staff worked on the site at once at the height of its activity. It was even subject to archaeological excavations, bringing the medieval foundations of the site out into the light. By area, human resources and scale, it is the second largest heritage site in France after Notre-Dame de Paris. Take, for example, the roofing. There are 3,600 square meters to renovate, or 265,000 slates. This monumental construction site is the rebirth of Villers-Cotterêts. It will return the château to its former brilliance and start a new chapter in its history. Here we are. The courtyard, used for court tennis or jeu de paume, is the heart of the international city of the French language and offers access to all of its activities. Look up over your head. The lexical sky is already setting the tone. Entirely dedicated to the French language, the Cité houses educational and training spaces, residence workshops for artists and researchers. This is the auditorium. This cultural space hosts shows and conferences. The auditorium is flexible enough to adapt to any type of event. A permanent visitor's trail offers a sensorial immersion through the heart of the French language. An interactive and fun experience allowing you to explore its evolution, all in connection with other languages. In each room, innovative digital displays interact with original works. Designed as a place for life, discovery and gatherings, the Cité is open to the public with a bookshop boutique and a café overlooking the grounds. The architectural aspect of the Cité opted for outward openings toward outside spaces. The château has become a threshold connecting the city and the forest. The international city of the French language is firmly rooted within its region while remaining open to the world. This experience is coming to an end. We look forward to welcoming you when the Cité opens its doors. See you soon.